ShipHero is a comprehensive shipping and fulfillment solution designed for e-commerce businesses. Here's how to use ShipHero effectively. Create an account. Start by signing up for a ShipHero account on their website. You can choose a plan that fits your business needs. Connect your store. Once logged in, connect your e-commerce platform to ShipHero. Go to the integration section and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Set up your warehouse. If you have a warehouse, set it up in ShipHero. Enter details like address, storage capacity, and inventory management preferences. This helps in managing your stock effectively. Import products. Import your product catalog from your connected store. ShipHero will sync product details, including SKUs, descriptions, and inventory levels. Manage orders. When orders come in, ShipHero will automatically import them. You can view orders in the dashboard, pick, pack, and ship them directly from the platform. Generate shipping labels. Use ShipHero to create and print shipping labels for your orders. The platform allows you to compare rates from multiple carriers. Track shipments. ShipHero provides tracking information, which you can share with customers for real-time updates on their orders.